But I tell you, if he holds this, it's going to be a good run. Might be a... Yes, sir, Mr. Roland, we see you. Nice run. Love that. Remember, we break at 1, we resume at 2, and we're going all the way until 5. All right? Pretty decent. Like it. Both ends up and running, looking good. Okay, we just have a few more cars left here, and then we're gonna tell you how much time we're gonna break for. Right. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Anyway. Yes, sir. Ten four. Good run. Yeah, this will be a nice run. Good run. Nice step. Decent run. Come on. Come on. Nice step. Nice step. Good run. That about at all. Good run. And final run. Good, decent run. And you know, for For the first road night. Watch out now. When the board are saying 11-5, yes, sir, and 12-0 over here, sir. That's nice. That's nice. Serving first. This is going to be an amazing run. Good run. Good run. Really good run. 9.2. Yeah, man. Good run. Again to all the drivers working on this is going to be a good run too. Let me tell you. All right, listen, gentlemen, it's pretty simple. We're just asking you to be prepared before you come into the staging area. Nice run. 11-6. All right, hopefully. Right, look at the time. Check the board. Great stuff. Great stuff. Yeah, 11-6 on the left lane, 12-5 on the right. Yes, I am. Not bad. Let's see, we're going to have to pull to the right. I hope it's not major. As I always say, this is where you need to start the issues home. Not a problem. You understand? Unlimited run, you come back from here at B11. It looks like so it's two doors, you will see, and it's still. Let's look at the time. Looks like a good run. Let's look. What? Pretty decent. 10-3. 10-3. I tell you, to a 15.9. Not bad. I have not seen that car. As much as all the color is a little twisted, but I know that car. That car, yeah, it performs pretty well. Pretty well. For first run, we have more time.
Hey,
what time let me look good? What kind of time I come out there go there?
See that?
What you have said? 10.7. No, let me get a little trouble. Let me get a little trouble. You know me, let me get a little trouble. Yes, sir. It is. This is also another amazing run. Let's look. 10.9. These cars I have not seen for a little bit. Awesome machines. Looking really good. Let's see. Awesome reaction. Let's go. You should be getting some good times right now. Let's look. Look to the timing boards. Let's see what's going to come from it. 11 points. Whoa. That look pretty. It look pretty. Wow. Yeah, man. Pretty. Nice. 10-8. 10-8 in the left lane to 11. Nice. Scores. Okay. This is gonna be a good one. Yeah, a good run. 10, 10, 7. Yeah, lower. Tell you. Maybe. It would have been a good run. Let's see. Wow. Even with that, 10-8, not bad. Let's see what's happening. Oh. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just want to thank you. We just want to thank you for coming out. Remember,
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.